بسم الله أبدأ صوب النداء إن اسمه يعلو على الأسماء ثم الصلاة على النبي محمد فهو الشفيع إن بدت مني أخطاء. Dear students, the previous episode of our recommended references for information systems series, we discussed the first references that established the foundation for understanding the field of information systems under the title Principles of Information Systems. Today, we will introduce references in the field of database and the reference under the title Fundamentals of Database Systems. And this references is written by Ramiz Al-Masri and Shamkant, and the latest edition of these references is the seventh edition, which was published in 2016. And the book covers many topics about various topics related to database systems, including database models, database design, normalization, transaction management, query processing, and optimization, and database security. And it's widely used as a textbook in undergraduate and graduate courses on database systems. Also, I think it's provide a comprehensive introduction to the fundamentals concepts of database systems. So if we discuss the content of the references, some of the key topics covered in these books include Introduction to Database. And this section provides an overview of databases, their purpose, and the role they play in modern information systems. And also the reference discuss the relation data models, and the relation data models is explained including relational algebra, relational calculus, and structured query language. Also, the reference discuss database design, and this section covers the process of designing a database schema, including entity relationship model, functional dependencies, and normalization techniques. Also, the book or reference discusses storage and file structures, and it's discuss different storage structures for databases, such as indexed files, hash files, and B trees. Also, it discusses query processing and optimization, and the book explore how database queries are processed and optimized for efficient execution, including query parsing, query optimization techniques, and query execution plan. Also, it contains transaction management, and this section covers the concept of transaction concurrency control and recovery mechanism to ensure data consistency and durability. And also the reference cover database security and integrity, and it's discussed security measures to protect database from unauthorized access, as well as techniques to maintain data integrity and enforce constraints. And in general, the book also includes numerous examples or exercises and case studies to help readers to understand the concepts of database. And I think also it's widely regarded as a valuable resource for students, database practitioners, and anyone interested in learning about database systems. At the end of this episode, or before the end of this episode, I will show you the reference or the electronic copy of reference. This is the reference, and this is the content of the reference. It's divided to 12 parts, as we said, or as we discussed in this video. And at the end of this episode, I would like to remind the students of the importance of setting a schedules for reading these references. It's recommended that they allocate approximately 1 hour each day for reading to maximize the benefit from these resources. And also I advise following the order presented in this series for reading the references. So until the end, the next episode, goodbye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.